In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and embed Google Forms on Canva website. By the end, you'll have a fully interactive form living right on your Canva site, so visitors can respond without leaving your page. First, head to Google Forms and sign in. Open the form you want to use. It's a good idea to give it a quick review. Make sure the questions are finalized, required fields are set, and the response settings match your needs. If you plan to collect responses from the public, confirm that the form isn't restricted to a specific organization or sign-in, otherwise some visitors won't be able to submit. With your form open, look to the top right of the editor and click the three dots to open the More menu. This is separate from your browser menu. From there, choose the option for Embed HTML. Google Forms will generate an embed snippet. This is an iframe code designed to display your form on other websites. Now click Copy to place that code on your clipboard. If you're curious, the snippet includes width and height values. You can leave them as is for now, since you'll be able to resize the embed inside Canva. The important part is that you copied the entire code exactly as provided. Next, open your Canva website design. Navigate to the page where you want the form to appear. In the Canva editor, use the Embed option. This is typically found via the Apps panel or by searching for Embed. Paste the embed code into the field provided and confirm. Canva will load a live preview of your Google form right on the canvas. If your embed tool asks for a URL instead of code, switch to the code option if available. If not, you can grab the form's public link from Google Forms and paste that, though the iframe code usually provides the most reliable result. Once it appears, drag the corners to adjust the size so the entire form is easy to read and scroll through. Keep key content above the fold for a smoother experience on desktop and mobile. When you're ready, your form will be interactive on your published Canva site, and responses will flow straight into your Google Forms Responses tab. If the form doesn't display, double check that you pasted the full embed code and that the form's sharing settings allow public responses. Refresh the Canva preview if needed. That's it. Your Google form is now seamlessly embedded in your Canva website.